And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 104. Let me show you how you can adjust the mesh colors, because there is something that might be a little bit confusing. We open Object, Fill and Stroke, and under Fill we add the mesh gradient. And we can add a second under Stroke Paint. So this is basically then the stroke gradient. Let's get back to Fill. And if you want to adjust it, we have the mesh to active. We've added the mesh right here to Fill and Stroke, which is the same as using the top left functions of this tool, rows and columns 2. And if we select one of these anchor points, so one of the corner points or the center point, the diamond icons in general, then we can adjust the color. But you can see we are under Fill and it actually adjusts the stroke color. And if we switch to Stroke Paint, we have our mesh gradient added. We can't even access the color wheel. So, and this might be the confusing part, because to edit the fill and the stroke, you have to use the top function right here of the tool. So if I switch this right there, I actually have to uncheck the stroke first and then check the fill. And now I select the same anchor points, these diamond icons. You can see we are adjusting now the fill gradient and not the stroke gradient anymore. And this happens despite that we are just under Fill in the Fill and Stroke menu. So once again, this can be confusing, but when you want to adjust the stroke mesh, you have to do it under Fill and then use the top function of the tool right here for Edit Stroke. Same goes for the fill. Let me select the center point. And if I only have the stroke active, there won't be any adjustments because the stroke is only on the outside. Let me do it again. This time we use the mesh tool right away. We have the mesh gradient active. I use it on the fill. I select the top corner point. We are under Fill, Fill and Stroke, and I can adjust the color. Now let me switch to Stroke. I use it again with the left click drag on the object. And now it's important for us to check the top functions right here for Edit Stroke and Fill. So if we want to adjust the stroke, we need to make sure Edit Stroke is active and Edit Fill is deactivated. And now you can see I can adjust this color as well under Fill. And this is how you can adjust the colors of a mesh gradient in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.